Right about now, we shall be going to the next item on the agenda, which will be the Goodwill message from the CITN, the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria. This Goodwill message is to be delivered by the President of the Institute in person of Mr. Adesina Adedayo, FCTI. This Goodwill message will be delivered on his behalf by the Vice President of the Institute in person of Barrister Samuel Agbelui.
The earlier speakers, Timileyin Olajide, good morning. I bring greetings from the president of our institute, who is unavoidably absent in this program this morning. And he has dedicated me to read this opening remark. So I have the opening remarks of the 15th president of Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, in person of Mr. Adesina Adedayo, FCTI, at the Tax Inspire Virtual Conference 2021, held on Monday, 12th July 2021. I am pleased to address participants at this Tax Inspire Conference 2021, which is the result of the joint effort of these organizations, that is Tax House, Church E Solicitors, and the Laws Legal. I commend the initiative, which aligns with the expectation of the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, CITN, as a professional tax institute that is committed to endeavors that consistently brings taxation to the front burner of national discourse. We are encouraged with the fact that this conference will be addressing contemporary issues of relevance. May I also underscore the need for the organizers to collaborate and work more closely with the Institute in the future. This conference has been aptly titled Future of Tax Practice, Game Changer. This is a wonderful opportunity to assess the future of tax practice in the light of rapid technological advancements that has posed corresponding challenges to tax professionals in all spheres. I'm also excited that the organizers chose to focus on inspiring the next generation of women in tax administrators, professionals, and practitioners. It is equally important to commend the organizers for the well-thought-out focal areas of discussion that will be projecting the current panel sessions: fees, role of tax professionals in tax, role of technology and blockchain in tax administration, and role of women in tax. These thematic areas resonate with the current and future realities in the tax system across jurisdictions, including the developed nations of the world. May I touch briefly on some of the thematic issues for this conference? Tax practice. Tax practice is no longer an all-comer affair as was done in the past. It is a profession that requires in-depth knowledge, skills, and expertise of the principles and practices of the profession. In Nigeria, it is solely for those who have been satisfied by the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, the professional regulatory body for tax practice. The essence is to ensure professionalism in such an important aspect of governance in a civilized society. Therefore, we cannot ignore the place of professionals in ensuring that the tax system is well structured to meet the revenue mobilization needs of government as well as ensure the enabling tax environment that meets the expectation of stakeholders. As it pertains to the use of technology, it cannot be emphasized enough. We must come to task with the fact that technology has brought about great changes in the way that human affairs are structured, including taxation. Tax administration can only thrive better when technology is the backbone. In an area of increased digital transaction, trade and commerce, tax administration must leverage on technology to be able to achieve its objective. Technology require all facets of tax administration, taxpayer registration, tax processing and management, filing of tax returns, payment of taxes, reform process, and a lot more. It must be emphasized that the use of technology has to be backed up by a review of relevant tax laws and legislation. It must also not ignore the place of women in the tax mix. In the tax profession, there is no gender in the real sense of it. We are all taxmen. We must encourage young professionals, particularly women, to develop an active interest on the subject and inspire to be game changers for the profession, and ultimately our tax system will be better for it. I want to conclude my remarks by wishing you all a successful event. It is my hope that exposition and recommendations from the event will benefit attendees and contribute to our national development. On a lighter note, to ensure effective inspiration, I will advise that our members at this conference should ensure that they remain financial members to be in good tax standing. Otherwise, we will use technology to discover the defaulters. Thank you for your attention. Signed by Adesina Adedayo, FCTI, the 15th President and Chairman of Council, Charter of Taxation of Nigeria. I thank you for listening to.